नमस्ते बच्चों, आई एम JVN डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कुमार श्रीवास्तव फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस अंडर द फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today I will see the second case, how to convert into normal form the given second degree equation. When capital D is equal to 0, AU plus HB plus GW is not 0 and A is not 0, where capital A is equal to BC minus F square, capital H is equal to FG minus CH, and capital G is equal to HF minus BG. In this case, the surface has no unique center at infinity and one root of the discriminating cubic equation is 0 and two non-zero roots. If L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2, L3 M3 N3 are the principal direction cosines corresponding to the roots lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, L3 M3 N3 are principal direction cosines corresponding to 0 roots, that is lambda 3 is equal to 0, are given by the equations AL3 plus HM3 plus GN3 is equal to 0, HL3 plus BM3 plus FN3 is equal to 0, GL3 plus FN3 plus CN3 is equal to 0. Solving last two equations, we get L3 upon BC minus F square is equal to M3 upon FG minus CH is equal to N3 upon HF minus BG is equal to root L3 square plus M3 square plus N3 square upon root BC minus F square plus FG minus CH to the whole of square plus HF minus BG to the whole of square. So L3 is equal to BC minus F to the whole of square upon root BC minus F square to the whole of square plus FG minus CH to the whole of square plus HF minus BG to the whole of square, and M3 is equal to FG minus CH whole upon root BC minus F square to the whole of square plus FG minus CH to the whole of square plus HF minus BG to the whole of square. N3 is equal to HF minus BG upon root BC minus F square to the whole of square, GF minus CH to the whole of square plus HF minus BG to the whole of square, and R is equal to UL3 plus VM3 plus WN3 is not 0. Therefore, the equation will reduce to standard form lambda 1 x square plus lambda 2 y square plus 2rz is equal to 0. This form suggests that it represents elliptic paraboloid or hyperbolic according as lambda 1 and lambda 2 have the same sign or the opposite sign. The line of intersection of the principal planes corresponding to the non-zero roots of the discriminating cubic is the axis of the paraboloid, and the point where this line meets the paraboloid is the vertex. For example, reduce the equation 3z square minus 6yz minus 6zx minus 7x minus 5y plus 6z plus 3 is equal to 0 in normal form. For the solution, it is given that f of xyz is equal to 3z square minus 6yz minus 6zx minus 7x minus 5y plus 6z plus 3 is equal to 0. This is equation first. We know the general equation of the second degree. This is ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2hxy plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This is second. On comparing equation first and second, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 0, f is equal to minus 3, g is equal to minus 3, h is equal to 0, u is equal to minus 7 by 2, v is equal to minus 5 by 2, w is equal to 3, and d is equal to 3. Thus the discriminating cubic equation is lambda cube minus a plus b plus c lambda square plus ab plus bc plus ca minus f square minus g square minus h square lambda minus d is equal to 0. This is equation 3rd, where capital D is equal to ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square, that is capital D is equal to 0. So from equation 3rd, this is lambda cube minus 0 plus 0 plus 3 lambda square plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 9 minus 9 minus 0 lambda, and the value of D is 0. Then this after simplification it will be lambda cube minus 3 lambda square minus 18 lambda is equal to 0. Again lambda is common, then lambda in bracket lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 18 is equal to 0. This is lambda in bracket lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 18 is equal to 0. So after making the factorization, it will be lambda plus 3 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. That is lambda is equal to 0 minus 3 and 6. Therefore the roots of cubic are lambda 1 is equal to minus 3, lambda 2 is equal to 6, and lambda 3 is equal to 0. So the principal direction corresponding to lambda 3 is equal to 0. This is a minus lambda 3 L3 plus h M3 plus N3 is equal to 0, h L3 b minus lambda 3 M3 plus f N3 is equal to 0, g L3 plus f M3 plus c minus lambda 3 N3 is equal to 0. That is 0 L3 plus 0 N3 minus 3 L3 is equal to 0. 0 L3 plus 0 N3 minus 3 N3 is equal to 0, minus 3 L3 minus 3 M3 plus 3 N3 is equal to 0. Then L3 upon 1 is equal to M3 upon minus 1 is equal to N3 upon 0 is equal to root L3 square plus M3 square plus N3 square upon root 1 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 upon root 2. So L3 is equal to 1 upon root 2, M3 is equal to minus 1 upon root 2, and 3 is equal to 0. Now R is equal to UL3 plus VM3 plus WN3. R is equal to minus 7 upon 2 into 1 by root 2 minus in bracket minus 5 upon 2 into 1 by root 2 plus 0. R is equal to minus 7 upon 2 root 2 plus 5 upon 2 root 2 is equal to minus 2 upon root 2. So R is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Hence the normal form of the given equation is lambda 1 x square plus lambda 2 y square plus 2 rz is equal to 0. This is 6, so 6x square minus 3y square minus root 2z is equal to 0. Thank you.